Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install driver INF laptop or PC. To start, right-click on Start and open Device Manager. There, go to the section where the driver will be installed. Right-click on the driver and choose Update Driver. Choose the option, Browse my computer for drivers. Now you will click on, Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here, click on the Have Disk button. You are going to click on Browse and then you must select the INF file that you will use to install the driver. Click on Open. Click OK. Now you will be able to complete the process to install this driver through this file. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.